Hey YouTube, welcome to another video from Medical Gear Outfitters. We have a brand new kit for you here. Want to do a quick video demonstration for you. This is from Dire Armory. This is a great little EDC trauma kit. I'm all about small kits. I'd rather have a bunch of little small kits than just one giant kit that's probably not there when I actually need it. But this is a pretty cool kit. It's going to keep everything protected from dust, the environment. It'll slip in your pocket. It'll slip in a mag pouch on your body armor. So lots of places we can store this when we need it. It has Velcro on the top here. I put a Skinny Medic patch on there. Why not? But you could put a cross on there, whatever type of patch you want to put on there, so people know this is a first aid kit and not just some random pouch laying there. So I like that they have Velcro here. When you pull it open, it's going to unfold just like this. So inside of here, we have combat gauze. We also sell it with compressed gauze. And then you have a SWAT-T Tourniquet and Hyfin chest seals. This is the compact Hyfin chest seals. With that being said, we do offer it two different ways, with compressed gauze or combat gauze, just kind of depending on your budget, what it looks like if you want the hemostatic agent or you do not want the hemostatic agent. We also have a SWAT-T in here. I like the SWAT-T because it makes a good tourniquet, especially if you have two hands free, you're applying to someone else. Also makes a good pressure bandage as well. So it's a dual purpose role here. If we need to secure a splint, head injury, bandaging supplies, all can be done with SWAT-T. Tons of uses for this. It's a great product. And then you have the compact Hyfin chest seals for those sucking chest wounds on front and back. All right, so we have the pouches in gray color, a cool woodland color there, black. Then we have coyote tan, a multicam. We also have black multicam right there, and then coyote. So we're super thankful to be working with Dire Armory on this project. It's their kit, we're just distributing it. But we also have their cat tourniquet holster and their trauma shears holster as well that we're also now carrying here at medicalgearoutfitters.com. And then just as a sneak peek, here is our trauma shears cover and cat tourniquet pouches here. So trauma shears covers there. Comes with the trauma shears, and then cat tourniquet holsters will also come with a Gen 7 cat. So I'll make sure to put a link down below. Go to MGO, check all of the products out. Appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for all support. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Bring the right gear and the right training.